Alright, it's Easter Sunday and this is video 2018. I'm going to be testing my toilet and my toilet tank and see if it leaks. Just keep this shut and turn the water on. If I find leaks, then I'll dump it as quickly as possible just so that it won't rot in the cardboard. So here it goes. I'm gonna do a little bit because I don't want to do too much. Okay, so corner we have no leaks. What about this other corner? Think there is no leaking. So alright, right here it goes. If it was in the toilet, it would have flushed. Oh shoot, it would have flushed like this. Well, in the back, we do have some leaking. Some water spots. Like, there's one right there. So that means I need to seal it more before I actually test it. Because if I test it and there are still leaks inside, this toilet can get damaged. And I made another toilet like almost a year ago. It's a cardboard Stony Windham toilet. I'll try to look for it and put in the link in the put the link in the description. It's a video 430. So yeah,